You know it's time to get out of here when you see ice on your windshield.
We're 13.6 and that bridge just hit 13.7.
I think they do that just to scare us.
You know what? Puckered up pretty tight.
RV Life said this was a good road.
Lives lost. There was a few that didn't make it. That's what she said.
Check.
Last episode, we shared what the SRT inspection revealed about our rig and the repairs that came out of it. Definitely not the kind of news any RVer wants to hear on the road, but at least we're rolling again. With those fixes behind us, we packed up in Bangor and pointed the truck south toward Connecticut. This morning out of Bangor felt like a little reset after a stressful week. Just the hum of the road, the fall colors, and that quiet feeling of finally moving again. It wasn't an overly dramatic travel day, just one of those long-ish, steady drives where you zone out a bit and talk about everything and nothing. We made our way through Maine, down into New Hampshire, and eventually toward the Connecticut state line. If you're new here, we're Jason and Katie, and we travel full-time in our RV. And if you've been following along each week, thank you. Seriously. Your comments, your messages, and just knowing you're watching these adventures with us, it means a lot. This week is a couple of big travel days stitched together, the kind where plans change, filming gets missed, and real life just kind of happens, as you've seen. We've left Maine, passed through Connecticut, landed in Pennsylvania, and while doing some laundry, we even stumbled across a pretty iconic spot from one of our favorite shows. Oh yeah, and we put our RV height to the test on some Maine bridges.
714.3. Clear.
Low bridges in Maine on the interstate. Not fun.
Not super low. We got like 9 inches to spare.
9 inches.
It's like that much. That would be a mile. Kidding.
Hello, cutie. Morning from Woodstock, Connecticut. The quiet corner of Connecticut, apparently. We're at a Harvest Host Taylor Brook Brewery. Here for a couple days. It was a pretty nice stay. Pretty good beer as well. But it's chilly. It's like 3 degrees this morning, Celsius. Gotta get rid of the garbage. Take the pooch for a little walk on my way. And watch the wife pack up the satellite Starlink. Anyway, we're off to, where are we off to today?
We're off outside Scranton.
Ooh, we're getting close to Scranton. We're heading to Hamlin, Pennsylvania today to another harvest house for a couple of days. Our drive days are pretty short, so, and that harvest house is working out pretty awesome. Anyway, they had a food truck here last night from Maine. I think it was called Cousin's Lobster, something like that. Wicked. Great lobster tacos. We got lobster bisque. Anyway, packing up, get on the road. Shouldn't take long. We'll see you in the truck. Oh, we didn't show you this. Not that this is gonna make the video or not, but they had to change out that Moride suspension system, CRE 3000 component. Had a big split in it. I'll show you a picture of what it looked like. Our SRT actually, when we first met him, when he showed up in Maine, in Bangor, first thing he saw, they noticed a lot of stuff. So it's the first thing he noticed. And it's funny because I do inspections all the time, and that has slipped me every time, unless it just happened. But anyway, see you in the truck. You know it's time to get out of here when you see ice on your windshield. It's pretty chilly here, folks. Oh, that sun's in the way. Time to start working our way south a little bit faster.
I think they do that just to scare us.
How was that? That's loud.
You know what? Puckered up pretty tight there.
Whoo-wee.
We're 13.6 and that bridge just hit 13.7.
Going through Hartford. That RV Life said this was a good road.
Goodish.
Goodish.
Good enough.
So that's a weird layer of bridges. 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, the GPS looks like a big X. And we're clear.
Easy peasy. Get that put on our shirt. Check out our merch on sg2rvlife.shop.
Easy peasy t-shirt.
Easy peasy t-shirts coming soon. So I use that a lot. Morning. You fellow Pennsylvanians? I don't know.
Where are we before you put it in gear?
I'm in gear. We're shifting.
We're shifting. Oh, here we go.
Yeah. I don't know where we're at in Pennsylvania.
We're in Hamlin,
Pennsylvania.
Yep. Harvest Host.
Ours place on 590.
Yep.
Good food, cute little bar.
Very cheap.
Very reasonably priced.
Like $10.25 for
a burger.
A burger and fries.
Yeah. That was nice. We had lunch there yesterday when we arrived.
Yep, it's right here.
Ours place on 590. Monday night's taco night. Get your tacos here.
That's what she said.
Oh, is that foreshadowing?
Maybe.
That's what she said.
Uh-oh. Guess how close we are to a certain Pennsylvanian city set in a certain popular sitcom? So if you haven't guessed, because you're probably yelling at the TV right now, we are near Scranton, Pennsylvania, which is where the office, the American office, was set or taken place. And we are just gonna go take a little drive near technically the Pennsylvanian Paper Supply Company, which apparently has some lasting remnants or nods to the office.
Plus it's laundry day and we gotta get some groceries.
We're gonna hit up a laundromat and a Walmart, and I guess we're gonna take you along with us towards Scranton, Pennsylvania.
Let me take that. Maybe I should have got you to take that.
Well, let me take that then. Please. Hi. Good, how are you? Towels. We don't really sort. No wonder it's heavy.
Well, while you're doing that, I'm gonna see. Check this out.
I'm probably not going down the right street the same way as the opening credits, but
Well, I'll turn around.
will you?
We'll get the right shot. You gotta make sure you're pointing the right way.
I am pointing the right way.
Hold on, right there on the other side.
You might have to go left and then turn around.
On the right, turn
to
right
see.
on Vine Street. Then your destination will be on the right.
Oh, it says pen paper.
Street. I'll turn around. Yes,
Oh,
it does.
It says Dunder.
Your destination is on the right.
A drive through Scranton is not complete until you hit this.
The Dunder Mifflin Paper Go.
It's a big building.
Yeah, we said we would see it.
And we saw it.
Agree. Check. So we're done our laundry. We went through downtown and a little tour of Scranton, PA. Harry Chapin, the song that mentions
Scranton?
Scranton is 30,000 pounds of bananas. It's basically about a truck accident with a banana truck. Have you ever heard it?
Yeah.
Go look it up. Well, what we didn't tell you, and we didn't get on film,
Turn right onto
was
Sanderson Street.
we had a moment of road rage in the parking lot.
Parking lot rage. And I was the one raging. I was trying to back into a spot and some
Continue for 4 miles.
geezer just whoosh, and then parked diagonally like a
He took up 2 parking spots.
took up 2 parking spots.
And this thing ain't small. And this biatch has hips. So, and she's long. Maneuvering her in small parking lots, Jason had to do more than a 3-point back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this guy just whipped in right behind him and yeah, took up two spots that Jason was aiming for.
I went into Hulk mode.
He turned a little green and he cursed out the window.
And then said sorry because I'm Canadian. No, I didn't.
But then we had to go in and do laundry. So
Yeah. Awkward.
and the guy did not make eye contact. So I think he knew what he did was wrong. I'll give you some fall leaf peeping colors here.
Which is just about done.
Yeah,
We missed it.
we missed it.
Next year.
Maybe. Ooh, look, there they go. Wasn't there a couple songs that had Scranton, PA in it?
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I guess you'll have to look it up. Meanwhile, our light turned red.
Heartbreak. Ooh.
That's not near as hard as yesterday.
We didn't tell you. I guess we were on the interstate going through
Construction zone.
Yeah, but it was it was in New York, right? New York State.
Yeah.
So yeah, we were on the interstate yesterday coming towards Pennsylvania. And
Some bonehead tractor trailer driver decided to lock his brakes up because he was obviously not paying attention,
yeah,
which
And,
made us lock our brakes up
lock up brakes, blue
and actually
smoke.
had to swerve off the road.
Yep. That was scary. And I could see it, and Jason didn't seem to react as quickly, although he said he was slowly braking.
I was braking efficiently.
And
then I had to end up braking aggressively.
all of a sudden I said, Jason! And he had to aggressively brake.
Yeah. Well, I mean, when you're pulling the fifth wheel and all your stuff is in there, you hit the brakes hard, things are moving.
Some of the stuff
And
moved.
boy, does some stuff move.
The container that we have on the floor in the bathroom, yeah, she traveled a little bit.
Yeah, and so did the Q-tips.
Jason had a little moment
What the
yesterday when he had to pick up all the Q-tips off the floor.
Who leaves the Q-tip box open?
I do. Do you? Do you leave the Q-tip box open?
No,
Because
because I bet you they don't, because they're normal.
are you telling me I'm not normal?
Well, it's like, huh? Pick it out. Huh? Close it.
Well, it just didn't occur to me to secure the Q-tips for travel.
Yeah.
So
There were
anyway,
some lives lost.
did you sacrifice a couple Q-tips?
Yeah, there was a few that didn't make it.
Poor things. I think the new ones I bought he's not gonna like either, because Jason is very particular about Q-tips, if you're wanting to
Yeah,
know. He
That's
likes
what it is. Those are those cheap Q-tips. I put it in my ear and it bends to 90 degrees.
because they're plastic. And he likes the ones that are made out of cardboard. Funny enough, he absolutely hates cardboard drinking straws,
That's because they get wet and soaked and soggy and then they're floppy flimsy.
but he likes plastic straws. See, I'm not the only one with strange quirks. The Mister has quirks too. Yeah, you can say that now. It's just I know you. And you're going to know him better as we travel along here.
Wow, what an interesting couple of days. From squeezing under that 13'7" bridge that we didn't know was there, to the fun we had in Scranton, and then that little interstate break moment. Yeah, that one convinced me to officially add secure the Q-tips to the pack-up list. Thanks so much for riding along with us. Drop us a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really means a lot to us. And we'll see you in the next one as we keep heading south for the warmer weather. And remember, we don't plan it, we just roll with it.